The brave goat who faced the lion. In a dry land where food was scarce, lived a young goat named Rami. The valley belonged to a lion. Everyone knew it. The lion ruled with fear. No goat grazed freely. No one wandered far. Every step was taken while looking over a shoulder. Rami was tired to read of fear, tired of running, tired of living small. One evening, as the sun burned red, Rami saw the lion sleeping under a tree near the only green field left. The other goats panicked. "Don't go near. He'll kill you. Stay where it's safe." Rami looked at the field, then at his hungry herd. "If safety means starving," he said, "then safety isn't safe at all." He walked toward the lion. Every step felt like a mistake. His mind screamed. His legs shook. The lion opened one eye. "So?" the lion growled. "You've come to die." Rami stopped, lifted his head, and spoke calmly. "No," he said. "I came to stop being afraid." The lion laughed. "You are small. Weak. Why aren't you running?" Rami answered, "Because fear already took everything from us. You're just the last thing it wears." The lion stood up, towering. "Bravery won't save you." Rami replied, "Maybe not, but it will free me." For a long moment, the valley was silent. Then something unexpected happened. The lion stepped aside. "Go," he said. "Fear tastes better than flesh, and you no longer belong to it." Rami walked past him. That day, the goats ate freely, and the lion was never the same. Not because he was defeated, but because someone refused to bow. Moral: fear survives only when it's obeyed. The moment you face it, it shrinks.